Getting ready to serve. Ito pong si Pomla Soraya. And of course, www.v-league.ph is the league's official website. Facebook.com/Shakey'sVLeague. Like us on Facebook. Follow us on Twitter. At eto na ang depensa na naman ni Eulalio at ni Aiza Maizo. As Cagayan Valley is slowly whitewashing the undefeated Philippine Army.
A team that never dropped a set.
Wala pa. 3 panalo. Straight sets lahat. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Soraya, ganda na naman ang serve. Gonzaga, hinabol. At naibalik yan ni Michelle Carolino. Soraya ngayon. Nice block there by Michelle Carolino. Kept alive by Jonella. And a high free ball given up there by Tabaquero. Iratay, quick set, Joanne Bunag.
That's what they need to do, no? They have to speed up yung offense ng Army. Masyado mabagal, nababasa ng blockers ng Cagayan. Yun yung nangyari. Binilisan ni Bunag.
Wala, Bunag to serve. Tabaquero. Soraya. Tipachot na harangan ni Jack Alarca. Single block na lamang yon. 3 na lang po ang abante ng Cagayan Valley. Captain Bunag once again. Nice serve again. Maizo. Free ball coming up from Jonella. Alarca. Combination, and that was scores for Jovelyn Gonzaga.
Medyo new life ngayon ng Army after that Bunag kill, no?
That's
ngayon,
3 straight para sa Army. This is a great timeout by Nes Pamilar.
So, di ba sabi nga, iniisa't isa nila. Kakargaan nila ng kakargaan siya. Bahala na. So, rumisip muna tayo. May taas lang natin. Basta na pagkaanan natin.
Coverage tayo.
Sige lang, receive muna. Ano yan? Sige.
Go. Alaga sa lamang. Game.
Ito pa naman yung nasa likod. Lucette Dawis, Chisaet, Sandra De Los Santos. Ito yung huling combination play na hindi talaga nabasa ng Cagayan Valley. And again, those are the plays that you run during practice. Hopefully, mabunot nyo during the game. Good set that time from Iratay.
That's right. Pero it really stems on good reception.
Well, Cagayan Valley's lead is down to 2. Bunag. Maizo. Soraya. Quick set to Eulalio. Yan, pamatay sunog.
No, Eulalio really also has blossomed in this conference.
Right. Well, alam naman natin when she was still playing for FEU na magandang future niya. And her future is now, she's on the national team.
Yeah.
Eulalio serve. Michelle, Pero si Pau hindi na-convert yung regalo. Here's Jovelyn Gonzaga. Soraya. Aiza Maizo. Pangalawang bola pa lang, wala sinunag sa pwesto.
That's right. Yung mga utility spikers natin talagang they take advantage.
Right.
Kung pwede nilang paluin second ball, they will. First was Gonzaga, now Maizo.
Isa pa yan, nakakahilo kasi kaliwete si Maizo. 1915 Cagayan Valley. Lakas ng serve ni Wenet Eulalio. Pati siya nasaktan sa serve niya.
Yun ang pagdagdag ng sunog.
Oo. Babasa 3, ang abante. And here is Soraya now going to Aiza Maizo. Off of Dakis.
How potent is your offense? Open spiker, Tabaquero. Middle, Soriano. Utility, Maizo.
Another timeout here for the Philippine Army.
Set na to, huwag natin ibigay. Kulang lang kailangan. Konting lagyan ng yung palo natin. Lagyan natin ng power. Kasi pag hindi nyo nilagyan ng power yan, didepensahan lang yan. Parang gagawin lang dati yan, may spike lang yan. Parang nagsusukisik lang yan gagawin nyo dyan. Ka pa ng maayos. Kasi kulang.
20-16, Cagayan Valley up by 4. Tignan nyo naman yung mga fans dito. Nagulat sa nagiging outcome nitong ating laro.
That's true.
We thought that we would be in for a 5-set thriller. Pero ang laking bagay talaga ang pagkawala ng Tina Salak
Oh, yeah.
sa Army. And not to take anything away from Iratay, Mayat Carolino, whoever's doing the setting para sa Philippine Army. May halo na swerte ito si Tipachot. Pero talagang kargado yung nilaro nitong kupunan ng Cagayan Valley.
Very inspired.
Yeah. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Tipachot once again. Nunag. Iratay ngayon. Iiwan para kay Jovelyn Gonzaga. Kulat ni Aiza Maiso. 21-17. Jovelyn Gonzaga. Hindi pa ito tapos para sa Philippine Army. Mahaba pa ito.
And so far, ito yung best performance ng Army.
Well, unti-unti na nga sila nagigising. Maiso. Oh, what a dig by Gonzaga. Dakis. Yes! Off the block of Aiza Maiso. First point of Rachel Ann Dakis this conference.
After just 2 days in Manila.
Less than 2 days,
Less
actually.
than 2 days.
Kasi nag-text siya sa akin ng oras. Gabi na eh. Gabi na yon nung Friday. So, Junela. Soraya, combination. Tabakero off the block. Gonzaga is there. Iratay across. Dakis. Back to back. Yes, back to back for Dakis.
Di pa
She's
tapos
back.
to.
She is back, folks.
Yan yung talagang sheer will, no?
Oo.
Not up to par in terms of conditioning, pero sheer will talaga.
Tandaan natin po, when the Philippine Army won this conference in 2011, yung finals MVP was Rachel Ann Dakis. Jovelyn Gonzaga. Talim! Grabe!
1 point lead.
All business for the 21-year-old from the Central Philippines University in Iloilo. The Bionic Ilongga, we call her.
The Bionic.
Another good serve. Soraya on the back set ngayon. Aiza Maiso, change of pace. At hindi nakaabot si Jack Alarca. I think King Balse can be reinserted ngayon into the game. Alarca has played very well pero kailangan na ng Army na speed.
That's right. Obviously, no, yung sa galaw niya, she's being,
Very careful.
with her injury.
Carolino, Iratay, combination. Dakis kinaliwa. At hindi na naibalik yon ni Nunag. 23-20, 2 puntos na lang po kailangan dito ng Cagayan Valley para makuha yung kanilang pang-anim na panalo. Maiso. Iratay, binalik naman ni Pao Soriano.
A gallant stand by Army, but Cagayan, alam mo, able to maintain yung composure nila sa game na to eh.
Match point now, 4 of them para sa Rising Suns. Maiso. Nunag. Iratay, quick set, Alarca. Tabakero, and it's over. Straight set victory para sa Cagayan Valley Rising Suns. 6 wins, no losses. Philippine Army drops to 3 wins and 1 loss. Pero makikita mo naman yung struggle doon sa dulo. Yung Rachel Ann Dakis, well, she'll be back. Alam naman natin na kagagaling lang niya ng Germany as we take a look at our Shaky play. A great game played here by the Cagayan Valley Rising Suns. At yan po ang ating final score. 6-0, Cagayan Valley. Straight sets po nakuha ng Cagayan Valley Rising Suns ang kanilang pang-anim na panalo at the expense of the Philippine Army. And we are bringing in our special interpreter, Pachari Sangwang. Why Miyaka Lim will need some help for our Shakey's player of the game.
Yes, guys, kasama ko nga dito si Pomla Soraya, who has been so effective in this game today. Congratulations. First of all, how do you make this work even if you have a language barrier?
เขาอยากจะถามว่าวันนี้บอลที่โสเล่นค่อนข้างจะได้ประสิทธิค่อนข้างจะมีประสิทธิภาพแล้วก็ถามว่าประมาณว่าทำยังไงสื่อสารกับเพื่อนในทีมยังไงอะไรอย่างเงี้ยค่ะเตรียมตัวมายังไง
ก็ ก่อนจะแข่งหนูก็คิดแบบอาร์มี่เป็นทีมที่เก่งแล้วก็ยังไม่เคยที่จะแพ้ใครเลยใช่ไหมหนูก็ทำการบ้านมาดีแบบหนูเตรียมตัวมาดีหนูก็รู้ว่าเขาสูงพอเขาสูงหนูก็แบบว่าต้องเล่นหลากหลายต้องปล่อยเล่นหลากหลายมากขึ้นเพื่อที่จะให้แบบเขาตัวสูงเขาวิ่งไล่บล็อกไม่ทัน
She said about game today she have worked before to play that how to keep player, how to strike, how to do before, because Army very good player and tall, how to they cannot blocking like that.
Okay, and your energy from start to finish was impeccable. You know, you caught Philippine Army shocked in the first set. Where did you get all this energy?
ก็ถามว่าพลังงานมาจากไหนคือเหมือนกับว่าแบบเราเล่นค่อนข้างที่จะดีทำให้แบบรู้สึกว่าอาร์มี่จะแบบดาวลงอะไรอย่างเงี้ย
เพราะว่าเราทุกคนแบบตั้งใจแล้วก็เต็มที่กับเกมนี้เพราะรู้ว่าอาร์มี่แข็งแกร่งเราก็เลยทำให้เต็มที่ แล้วก็ช่วยกันเล่นเต็มที่ผลก็เลยออกมาดีอย่างเงี้ยค่ะ
She said thank you for our teammates because if she only one she cannot win but they need our teammates, that's why today they win because everybody plays good.
All right, thank you and congratulations. And because you are our player of the game, we have free Shakey's Pizza for you. Congratulations once again, guys. Back to you.
Of course, Miyaka Lim, thank you. That was a great effort by Miyaka to stay with that. At tingnan natin po yung ating teams natin dito, Cagayan Valley, 6-0. Isa na lang po natitira nilang assignment before most of their players leave for Thailand. Philippine Army absorbing their first loss. Pero ang ganda ng pinakita rito, overall performance ng Cagayan Valley.
That's right, inspired volleyball, but we just gotta make mention, no? The curse has been broken, Miyaka!
Miyaka is absuelto na si Miyaka. On behalf of Miyaka Lim and of course, my partner Noringo, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtangilig na Shakey's Pilig. Ito po si Noel Zarate. Paalam. Marciano off the hands of Aiza Maizo. Saet. Soriano out of position. Nagawan pa rin ang paraan ni Pau. Concepcion ngayon, down the middle to Molina. Lamang na po ang PNP. Marciano, Concepcion, Sang Muang. Ayan na naman ang pumasok yung block ni Tabaquero. Soraya ngayon, eto na naman yung backline attack. Nice anticipation from Molina. Here's Soraya. Nice dig there by Tadeo. Concepcion across, Marciano dropping it in again. Sabi ni Angge, sabi na nga pa eh.